What's up? My name's Kamal, and today we're just gonna make a quick video on how to reset the maintenance required light on our 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. For anybody that's ever wondered what that light actually means, I have the manual right here, and it just says that the maintenance required light is for engine oil replacement reminder light for vehicles sold in the USA. And then also, if we go here to page 101 as well, it just says if this indicator or buzzer comes on, to do this, replace engine oil. So we've done that. Honestly, the only thing I don't know about is like how often the light comes on. On all of my cars, just try to replace the engine oil every 5,000 miles. But this light's on, so we're gonna replace it. Just turn your key on to the accessory. And then in here, if yours isn't on the odometer reading, you actually wanna not have it on any of the trips. Don't have it on trip A or trip B, go to odometer. And you cycle the key off, hold it down this button, cycle the key back on to accessory, and you see those little dashes, you see how they dash down, and then boom, it goes like that, and that's how you reset the maintenance required light. There you go. If y'all could just give the video a like and maybe subscribe to the channel, we have a lot of content on the FJ Cruiser. We'd appreciate it and help support us. So thanks again, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.